Buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? It's never been this convenient with Apple Pay or Google Pay on BingX. Before you dive in, make sure you've completed your KYC verification and set up Apple Pay or Google Pay on your device. Ready? Let's dive in. On the homepage, tap Quick Buy. Choose the fiat currency to use and crypto to buy. Enter the amount and hit Buy. Select Apple Pay. Agree to the terms and tap Pay. Then double-click the side button to confirm. If you're using Google Pay, complete the 3DS authentication instead. Once it's done, tap View Assets to check your balance or view order for transaction details. Start your crypto journey seamlessly on BingX today.